Welcome! Today, we're going to walk you through the updated process of reacting to a message on Snapchat. Let's explore the steps together. To get started, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Locate the Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer, and tap on it to open the app. Next, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the chat icon situated next to the camera button. Tap on the chat icon to access your conversations and messages. Now, select the chat or conversation you'd like to open from your list of chats. Once you've entered the chat, you'll be able to view the messages exchanged between you and the other person. To react to a specific message, long press on the message you want to respond to within the chat. This action will trigger a menu of options for interacting with the message. A selection of Bitmoji reactions will appear on the screen. Tap on the Bitmoji that best suits your response to the message. Choose the Bitmoji that conveys your feelings or thoughts accurately. After selecting the appropriate Bitmoji reaction, it will appear right below the message in the chat. This allows you to express your reaction in a fun and engaging way, adding a personalized touch to your conversations. By following these simple steps, you can easily react to messages on Snapchat using Bitmoji reactions to enhance your communication and interactions with friends. Make your chats more lively and expressive with Bitmoji reactions on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and happy reacting on Snapchat.